Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. Another temple design. Approx 630 videos we have uploaded on YouTube, and out of that I have shown you around 100 different temples, different designs, sizes, colors, models from North India, from South India, from blended designs. A lot of designs I have already shown you. This is another design, and the best part is again a customized unit. In temples, the basic idea is it should fit the place where you want to keep the unit. Now, just like this one, if you see, this is 3 feet wide, 24 inches deep, and the height is 8 feet. A tall unit. The height of the platform from the ground is around 27 inches, so a little higher from the ground as well. And then the steps designed inside, and everything you see is as per the design that is given by the client. जब मंदिर की बात करें अपने घर के मंदिर के लिए, तो बेसिक है स्पेस जहां पर आपको मंदिर लगाना है. अगर आपके पास 3 फीट की स्पेस है तो आप 4 फीट का मंदिर नहीं लगा सकते, या अगर 5 फीट की स्पेस है और वहां पर आप 2 फीट का मंदिर रखते हैं तो शायद वो स्पेस को जस्टिफाई ना कर पाए. अनदर पॉइंट जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट भी है, अंदर का गर्भगृह. आपके पास कितनी मूर्तियां हैं, कितनी बड़ी फोटो है, और मंदिर के अंदर आपको कौन से देवता, कितनी बड़ी मूर्ति विराजमान करनी है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग अंदर का एरिया डिजाइन होता है. द गर्भगृह हैज टू बी डिजाइन अकॉर्डिंग टू द साइजेस ऑफ द आइडल्स, द स्टैच्यूज, आपके देवी देवता की मूर्ति, और फोटोज व्हाट यू हैव दैट हैज टू बी प्लेस्ड इनसाइड. Now, overall, the temple is designed as per the space. The height of the unit depends if you are sitting and praying or you are standing and praying. अगर आप बैठ के पूजा करते हैं तो normally height maximum 18 इंच तक होती है. When you are standing and praying, this is a good height. You can further increase the height if you want. That can be done. And inside steps are again as per the idols of your deities. आपके deities की मूर्ति के हिसाब से steps डिजाइन की जाती हैं. The below area is for the storage. Here we have a drawer, a big drawer. Then we have 2 drawers here, 1 and 2. And then we have a cabinet area at the bottom. Both sides we have got 2 cabinets. So nice storage area to keep your books and other puja material like your Ganga Jal bottle, or the bottle of the oil, or whatever you want to keep inside the temple. It's a nice storage area as well. The entire unit you see here made of teak wood with some parts with teak ply, just like the back and the base and the ceiling. Overall in the unit you see a lot of carving work. Carving, that is our forte. Carving work is something that we excel in. And that's why we're making so beautiful and so varied designs and shipping it across the globe. This one is going to Bangalore. We also ship units outside India to most of the places. And if you're looking for some temple unit designed as per you, as per your drawing, your space, your customization with dome or without dome, with the doors or without doors, or side you want a different design, you want a higher unit, a lower unit, let us know, we can design it for you. For more designs, you can visit our website aarsunwoods.com. There's a section of temples there, and you will find a number of designs customized and designed as per client's requirement and delivered across the globe. If you have any suggestions, some feedbacks for us, please let us know. We'll be happy to hear from you. For any comments or your queries, you can contact us. The number is right here, or you can drop us a message or an email. We'll be happy to revert to you. Hope you like it. Thank you. Dhanyavad.